Hello everybody, today we're gonna make barbecue outside. It's rain, but my planning was to make today barbecue and it's gonna be on the rain. We're gonna see how it's gonna be. Pravimo roštilj na polju, kiša pada, loše je vreme, ali mi ne odustajemo. Vidjet ćete kako će da ispadne na kraju ovaj roštilj na kiši. Stay with me, then you're gonna see how it's gonna look this barbecue outside on the rain. We're gonna make some traditional Serbian Cevapcici, becon. We're gonna roll this. We're gonna make this fillet and we're gonna roll the chicken breast in a becon. Make satay. Pravit ćemo znači pileće ražnjiće rolovane u slanini, ćevapi, slanina i svinjski file. To je to. Ostanite sa nama. Znači, veoma jednostavno. It's very simple. What we're gonna do first. Because this is ready, Cevapcici, this is ready. Only to take this becon first. Okay, we're gonna just do like this. We're gonna add a little salt. Vegeta also. A little pepper. Other one, do the same. Salt. This is, I think, I don't know what is more simple than this to make on the barbecue. This piece of meat is very good, it's very simple. We're gonna bake him in one piece and then later we're gonna cut them in medallions. Spreman, drugi. Sad prelazimo na piletinu. Okay, piletina, chicken is the next one. Chicken breast I cut in cubes like this. We're gonna just make satay. First, inside here, direct salt, vegeta, and pepper. Just gonna shake this good. Just shake him in this pot. Samo promešaj dobro. If it's necessary, little more salt or vegeta, add inside pepper. Ready. Okay. Wash my hands. And what is the next? You just take from this becon, cut them on the half. It's very easy. Just take one, take the one piece of the chicken, roll, and that's all. Ready. Take the other one and just roll them. This is very simple to make and stop everybody like this on barbecue, kids also. Ova rolovana piletina svako je voli, deca je vole. Čekaj, opsala. Have a little job, but it's not too much. I'm gonna just show how I make one satay, and then when I'm finished, complete this, then we are coming back for the next step. Next step is to go outside. And to see how it's gonna be barbecue on the rain. Okay. This one is ready. My barbecue is ready for baking. Serbian barbecue on the charcoal, how it's called, ili na čumuru. We are going outside. Outside is rain. But I make decision already to make this barbecue outside, and we're gonna try to bake this outside. Stay with me, and we're gonna see what is gonna be. Hello everybody, and welcome to Dalibor Soul Food. Today we're gonna make barbecue on open fire. Cheers. Živeli. Today I'm gonna show you how to make Serbian barbecue. We're gonna make Serbian barbecue today outside. Weather is not good. This is the reason why I put my barbecue here. Actually, the carport place for my car, I move car there. Pomerio sam kola zašto kiša pada svako malo. In Belgium is not good weather. Normally we bake there on the grass. But now I made decision to make this barbecue here in the carport. Stay with me. Okay, nazad smo. We start the fire in the hole. Just wait, sačekamo da se razgori, ćumu da se užari i bacamo se na posao. And then we are starting with the baking. It's little better now. We move the barbecue outside from carport. Gdje si ti, Manek? Marley? Hey, Marley, come here. Come. Marley uživa. He's feel good. Evo nas nazad, kao što čujete možda kako pada kiša, se ne šali. Stavili smo we put the grill is ready. Just to pass them a little, da očistimo malo rešetku. I možemo da počnemo. Just move this knife. Don't need them now. This also, first to see. Normally I always take the lemon, half lemon, and pass the uvek sa limunom ja za dezinfekciju da očistim rešetku. Always pass first with the lemon. And then I take some small piece of the smoked becon like this. Sa slaninom onda pređem rešetku da se ne bi lepilo. Then I pass with the becon. Then it's not gonna be sticky. This is very simple. Like I said, we're gonna make this barbecue on the rain. Okay. That's ready for baking. First, bigger pieces. Ove velike komade ćemo prve. Ove fillet. Ovako ćemo njih. First. Then we are going with Cevapcici. Can put fire a little down. Pečemo prvo njih. Cevapi. Okay, I think the this chicken can go the last, and becon. But we will see if we have a space enough. We can actually better put us here, there, and you also there. Okay, now chicken. Sate, 1, 2. Imamo pileći ražnjići. Okay, it's for now. Obično malo ruke, a i ovo malo zatvorimo. Hopala, nabijemo temperaturu. I just turn them around now, one time. And then we're gonna cover again to see what it's gonna be. Till then we can drink something. Skål, cheers. Rostilj se peče, ali sam zaboravio da vam kažem da imam ovdje jednu pticu, snela je jaje i leže na njima. One bird is here. There is eggs. It's just 1 meter from me. But it's okay. We're gonna make this barbecue. The rain is just stopped now. But I'm not gonna make a risk to move the barbecue there. Kiša je stala, ali ne rizikujemo, vala, pomeranje roštilja. Evo nek se ovdje on. I'm gonna just bake them here. I'm not gonna make risk to put everything there on the fire, but I think this is ready to see this one. Yes. Ovo je dobar. This one is good. Excellent. Idemo. Premestimo. Move them little here. This one here is ready. We're gonna cover here to be on the warm. This one to turn around now. Upsala idemo. Ovi su gotovi. This one is ready. Da preokrenemo malo to turn around this satay. See how it's going. Chicken is going very good. Chicken is going very good. We can add a new one. This is not stay like this. Okay. Da vidimo first to see this how it's going. Ready. Ready. Okay, ti ćeš uskoro na roštilj. You can check if it's ready. Just to take one. Like this. Just to broil and see if it's good. Yes, already inside. This one also. This one a little more. I put the bacon already here. And what is there, just here a few pieces of bacon and that's all. We're gonna bake now all this. Okay, my chicken satay with the speck, with the bacon is ready. You can put them here to stay warm until we're gonna finish the rest. Then we're gonna finish the bacon and this. Završimo slaninu i ove svinjske filet. Okay. Now what I'm gonna do, just move the bacon here on this side. On this side. And then this big, da uzmem ove svinjske filet. This okay to turn around to put them here. What I'm gonna do now? Now I'm just gonna take some butter and to take thyme, rosemary, and then to pass this meat. I'm coming back in just pick up the butter from the house. Ok, šta ćemo sad? Donosim ovdje putera. Butter I bring here. Just gonna take the little like this. Put them also here. Somewhere on the fire. To make them, not on the fire, sorry, to put on the meat, to do like this. Because meat is hot and then it's going very easy just to do like this. And then I take from my garden or rosemary or thyme, but I just take now thyme. Just to do a little massage like this. And then later we're gonna turn around again to pass with the butter and with the thyme or rosemary, and then we're gonna do a few times like this at the finish, and then I'm gonna take this big knife and then just cut in medallions. And this is for the end. See you later. Now I just turn around, I pass with the butter and again with the thyme. I think just few minutes and it's ready. Tako, kao što sam, like I say, the pork fillets, I finished them. I'm just gonna cut them one by one, but just I must put camera here little on the side to show you, I don't need to show you nothing, just my version is, I just like to cut this fillet in medallions like this. Look at this. Probamo. Oh. This is meat, yeah. Echt. Op, unutra. Next one. Dobri su, vrući su. It's really hot. If you ask me, better than this, nobody needs to make. More than enough. See how is it juicy. My barbecue is ready. We are going to eat. People, like I say, that my Serbian barbecue is really ready. We are going inside to eat now. Hey. Family is coming, mother and father from my wife. And for me it's always easy to make the barbecue. Došli su mi tast i tašta, Belgijanci, i meni je najlakše da im napravim roštilj. I imam uvijek šalu, kažem, ja se obradujem svakom gostu, ako ne pri njegovom dolasku, ali tašta svakako pri odlasku. Živjeli. Okay, people, what to say? I made my barbecue. Wait, to show you how it looks. I make my barbecue for a family. Parents from my wife is here. Sienna also. My mother is here. My wife is there with a Dragan. You can see my son first time now in our video. Dragane, sine, kažem ciao. What to say, people? If you like my video, subscribe my channel and I see you next time. Ciao.
Ćao.
Smakalak.
Smakalak.
Prijatno.
Prijetno.